This short guide shows how to buy shares of Borders Southern Petroleum Plc, ticker BOR.L. Borders Southern is an oil and gas exploration company listed on the LSE plc, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BOR.L to locate the listing. Select the result that corresponds to Borders Southern Petroleum Plc on the London Stock Exchange. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Ensure the page shows LSE plc and the ticker BOR.L before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade, choose the amount you want to buy, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a pending instruction, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio. A soft link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same example.